Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this 2-pack of table lamps for reviewing purposes, and I think that they are really nice because they can be placed at the both sides of your bed, and they have a really nice look to them. So let's start opening them up and let's see what comes inside. Okay, they've come really well protected, and they got included the light bulbs, which I think that it's great. Okay, let me take everything out. Okay, I see this pack of two. We get two light bulbs. Okay, the assembly instructions on how with all the steps and everything. Nice. And here we got the lampshades. These pieces that you are gonna use in a bit to install them. And these are proper main units. And these are the supports of the lampshades. Okay, so that's all that comes included. Okay, let me assemble them up and let's see how they look. Come on. As you can see, guys, the assembly process is actually really simple and doesn't take that much long. The instructions are really clear, and what I think that is nice is that the light bulb bases are E26, which are the universal light bulbs, meaning that you can place any kind of light bulbs besides the ones that comes included, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, they are already assembled up. I think that they are nice because they got a USB-A and a USB Type-C charging ports, and well, let's go ahead and plug them in. I'm gonna place one on that side and the other one on this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now that I've already set them up, as you can see, this side I have already turned on, but I want to show you something. I think they're nice because you can control the light bulb that it's on this side just with the touch. Okay, as you can see, you got one level, two levels, and three different levels of intensity depending on the mode that you want to set. I think that this is for a really nice night light, and you can also turn on this other light, which I think that it's really nice. You can turn them in combination. As you can see right now, I have them both turned on completely or just the top light like this, and I think it's gonna be really nice. They have a really nice design. It's like a industrial like design, and I think that it suits perfectly with the function that you can just touch it, and I think that it's nice. As I've said, you got the USB-A and Type-C port on both of them, which I think that it's really helpful in those cases, and you just have to have it plugged in. And if you don't have all that much space on your wall switch, I think it's going to be a really nice option. Overall, I think they're nice. They gave a really nice ambient light, and I think it's going to be perfect to place them wherever you need it. You don't need to place them in your bedroom. You can place them in your entrance, in a hallway, besides a painting. If you want to highlight some space, I think they're going to be really nice. And overall, I really like them, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.